I welcome you all my dear students. Today I am going to tell you about exercise 2.3 NCERT solution class 10, where it is given question number 1 to divide the polynomial in terms of x, that is p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by g of x that is equal to x square minus 2. जब भी आपको दो पॉलिनोमियल डिवाइड होने के लिए दिया जाता है तो आप देखिएगा कि वो प्रॉपर्ली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है कि नहीं. जैसे कि p ऑफ x x क्यूब है, फिर इन टर्म्स ऑफ x स्क्वायर है, फिर 5x है, फिर 3 है. सो इट इज प्रॉपर्ली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. और जिससे डिवाइड करना है जो डिवाइजर है दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2. इसमें सबसे पहले आप एक रफ वर्क बना के रख लीजिए जो आपको बहुत काम आएगा. यू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ डिवाइजर इज गोइंग टू डिवाइड विद द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ डिविडेंड, दैट इज एक्स क्यूब को डिवाइड करेगा एक्स स्क्वायर और हमें रिजल्ट पता चलेगा. एक्स स्क्वायर क्यूब को काटेगा और हमें रिजल्ट मिलेगा एक्स. तो हम उसके यहाँ लिख देना है कि एक्स है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स हो जाएगा एक्स क्यूब. अब यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ 2 इंटू एक्स 2x होता है तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ x के ही नीचे लिखना है, क्योंकि इन अलजेब्रा यू नो दैट द लाइक टर्म इज गोइंग टू सॉल्व विद द लाइक टर्म ओनली. सो डिवीजन में साइन नेगेटिव हो जाता है, यहाँ साइन पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कैंसल. जो बचा है उसको लिखेंगे माइनस 3x स्क्वायर जो सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, 5 प्लस 2 नाउ इट इज 7x माइनस 3. अब हमें देखना है व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म. फर्स्ट टर्म अब हमारा है माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, जिससे डिवाइड करना है उसका फर्स्ट टर्म है एक्स स्क्वायर. तो एक्स स्क्वायर कट जाएगा, आंसर आएगा माइनस 3. सो वी विल राइट डाउन माइनस 3 सो दैट माइनस 3 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इज माइनस 3x स्क्वायर. और ये जो बच जाएगा 3 टू जा दैट इज माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, 3 टू जा 6. तो अब हम इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए फर्दर बढ़ेंगे. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कैंसल एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माइनस. सो 7x सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, वो ऐसे ही रह जाएगा. माइनस 6 और माइनस 3 जो हो जाएगा बन जाएगा माइनस 9. सो अब हम देख सकते हैं रिमाइंडर डिवाइजर से छोटा है, अब और जो है वो डिवाइड नहीं होगा. सो वी विल राइट डाउन दिस इज आवर रिमाइंडर दैट इज r of x and this is our quotient which is q of x. All the second term and we will see the given things is given in organized or not. You can see that polynomial in terms of x is given x4 and then cube is not there. So I will tell you one thing, and by doing that you will never do any kind of mistake. That is, if it is x to the power 4 mentioned, it is mentioned. But if it is not mentioned like cube, so we'll write down it is not mentioned, let it be 0x cube because it is not mentioned, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now g of x is also not organized in a proper way. We will write down x square, then it should be minus x, then it should be plus 1. First, now after organizing, now we can go ahead with the division method. That is x to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This we are going to divide it with x square minus x plus 1. Now you need to make the rough work, as I already told you. In the rough work you need to divide the first term of the divisor with the first term of the dividend with the first term of the divisor. Square will break in terms of again square. The final answer will be x square. So you write down x square. X square into x square is x to the power 4. Now x square into x is x cube. So you write down minus x cube. And then x square once x square. So now we will solve it. This will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. So this is going to be cancelled. X cube will remain like that only, x cube. Now minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4x square. Remaining unsolved part we have to write down, that is 4x plus 5. Now again the first term is x cube and the term which we need to divide is x square. Square will cancel the cube term and it will become x. So we'll write down plus x and now we'll multiply the divisor. X square into x is x cube minus x into x is x square plus x once are x. Now again we'll go ahead and this will become minus, this will become plus and this will become minus. So this term is going to be cancelled. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 minus 1 is again 3 plus 5. Now our first term is minus 3x square. The term which we need to divide the first term is x square. X square is going to be cancelled. We are getting minus 3. So we write down that is minus 3. Minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. And minus minus is plus, plus 3x. And 3 ones are 3. Now I'll go out to solve it. That is, this will become plus, this will become minus, and this will become again minus. this both the terms are going to be cancelled with each other, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now this 2 is your remainder, and the above term, this term is your quotient. Now we'll see the third part, that is p of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x equal to 2 minus x square. Again the things are not arranged. टू द पावर 4 के बाद बहुत सारे टर्म मिसिंग है मतलब नहीं दिया है. तो जब नहीं दिया है, एरर ना हो, इसलिए मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि लेट इट बी 0x क्यूब, लेट इट बी 0x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6. जी ऑफ एक्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है, पहले एक्स स्क्वायर आना चाहिए, तो विल राइट डाउन दैट इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2. Now things are ready to go ahead with the division method. So we will write down x to the power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we need to divide this term with minus x square plus 2. Now again what I told you, make a rough work and write down what is the first term. The first term is x to the power 4 and we need to divide it minus x square. Now minus x square will become it in terms of square and the answer will become minus x square. So that will write down minus x square. Minus into minus is plus x to the power 4 and plus into minus is minus 2x square. So in the below of x square only we will write down minus 2x square. Why? Because in algebra we have studied that like term is going to solve with the like term only. So ये तो cancel हो गया, 0x cube participation नहीं हुआ तो उसको नहीं लिखेंगे. Now on further solving, this is going to be cancelled and here we can see that this minus sign is going to take its place as plus 2. So the remaining we need to write down as it is plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Now the first term is going to divide with the first term of the divisor and x square is going to be cancelled and the final answer is minus 2. So we'll write down minus 2. So minus into minus will become plus 2x square and plus into minus is minus 2 2s are 4. So what we are going to write down, this is going to be minus, this is going to be plus, and this is cancelled as minus 5 has not taken the participation and 6 plus 4 is 10. Now the remainder is less than the divisor. So this will be our final remainder and this will be our quotient. Now we will solve question number 2. The first, what they are saying, you check by dividing whether the first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial or not by dividing it. So let's go ahead with the division process. अगर first term first polynomial factor है second polynomial का, तो जब वो उसको divide करेगा, so you will get the remainder as 0. अगर remainder 0 आ रहा है, so no doubt the given polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So first let write down all the polynomial which is given to us and it is organized properly. Here also the thing is organized properly. So the very first thing is, I already told you, you need to take the rough work so that the thing can be calculated exactly. The first term is going to divide with the first term. So t square is going to cancel this and the answer will be 2t square. So this we are going to write down that 2t square will be the question, first question. 2t square into 2 cube is 2t to the power 4. Now 3 to the 6 t square. So t square के नीचे ही आपको लिखना है क्योंकि already I told you like term are going to solve the like term only. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this is going to be cancelled and here it will become 3t to the power 3 and 6 minus 2 is 4t square. The remaining is 9t minus 12. Now again our first term is 3t cube upon t square. Now t square is going to cancel with the cube term and it will become 3t. So we'll write down plus 3t and 3t into t square is 3t cube minus 3 3s are 9t. So when we are going to solve it, we are getting minus, it is going to cancel, we are getting plus, it is also going to be cancelled. The final term is 4t square minus 12. Now we will once again come with the term 4t square is going to divide with t square is going to be cancelled. The answer is 4. So we write down 4. 4t square is 4t square and 4 3s are 12. When we are going to solve it, this will become minus, this will become plus, and finally we are getting the remainder 0. So in this case we will write down yes, t square minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Now we'll solve the second one. And here also the thing has been organized in the same way. So we'll write down that is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We need to divide this with x square plus 3x plus 1, and we need to check we are getting the remainder as 0 or not. Same I'll suggest you. First you will take the rough work and you will divide the first term with the first term. Now after dividing it, we are getting the final answer as 3x square. So we will write down on dividing we are getting 3x square. Now we will continue solving. 3x square into x square is 3x to the power 4. 3x square into 3x is 9x cube, and 3x square plus 3x square into 1 is 3x square. Now this will become minus, this is going to be cancelled, this will become minus, this will become minus 4x cube. This will also become minus, minus 7 and minus 3 is minus 11x square plus 2x plus 2. Now what is the first term? We are having minus 4x cube as first term. X square is going to divide and the term will be minus 4x. So we'll write down minus 4x. Now I'll multiply one by one. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Minus 4 3 is a 12x square. And plus into minus is minus 4 into x is 4x. When we are going to solve, this is going to be cancelled and this is going to be plus and this is going to be plus. And here you can see that 12 minus 2 is 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Now the first term is 2x square upon x square. X square is going to be cancelled and the answer we are getting as 2. So we write down plus 2. So 2 into x square is 2x square plus 3 to the 6x plus 2 ones are 2. Now we will see this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. All terms are going to be cancelled and the final remainder is 0. So we will write down yes, the first polynomial is the factor of the second. The first polynomial is the factor of the second one. Okay. Now question number 2, third part is we need to again check the same thing. So first we will divide and we will see the remainder we are getting 0 or not. Here we can see it is not properly organized. X to the power 5, then x to the power 4 is not available. So from our side we will write down 0x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So we have written whatever the thing is organized. Here also in the divisor the thing is not organized. X cube plus 0x square, which is not there, then minus 3x, then plus 1. Now we will go ahead with the rough work. And in the rough work we are having the first term as x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. So that will make x to the power 2. So the final answer is x square. We will write down x square. Now we will start multiplying. X square into x to the power 3 is x to the power 5 plus 0x to the power 4, because 0x square into x square is 0x to the power 4, minus 3x into x square is 3x cube plus 1 into x square is x square. Now I will go ahead with this process. Minus, minus, then here it is going to be plus, then here it is going to be minus. Now this is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled. The final minus 4 plus 3 is minus x cube plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now here the first term is minus x cube, which we need to divide it with x cube. X cube is going to be cancelled. The answer will be minus 1. So you write down minus 1. So x cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. Now 0x square into 1 is 0x square and it is not there, so no need to mention. Next is minus into minus plus 3x. We will write down plus 3x. Plus into minus is minus 1. So at last this term is going to be cancelled. This term is going to be cancelled. But here you can see that 1 plus 1 we will get the remainder as 2. Since the remainder is 2, so the given polynomial is not a factor. Means x cube minus 3x plus 1. The first polynomial is not a factor for the second polynomial. Now we can see that question number 3, it is very important question. Biquadratic polynomial is given to you, that is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x plus minus 5. And its two zeros are given as root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. It means the value of x, first it is given as root 5 by 3 and second it is given as minus root 5 by 3. Two zeros are given. This is biquadratic, so you'll get 4 zeros. So 2 zeros are given, and with the help of this 2 0, we need to find rest of the zeros. So how we are going to do this? Plus root 5 by 3 will shift that side, it will become minus root 5 by 3, and here it is nothing, means 0. Here also minus root 5 by 3 will go that side, it will become plus root 5 by 3 equals to 0. Now both the equation are equal to 0, that means 1 time x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3, they both are equals to 0. Now you know that this is the formula of a minus b and a plus b. You can write down a square minus b square. So now what you can do, this will become x square minus, now root 5 square will be 5, root 3 square will be 3. Here it is nothing, means 1. Now next is we'll take the LCM, 3. 3 into x square is 3x square minus 5 ones are 5. This 3 as a fraction we can take out outside, and the main polynomial we will get is 3x square minus 5. Now with this 3x square minus 5, we will not focus on this 1 by 3 fraction part. We have to focus on this 3x square minus 5. Now this is going to divide with the main polynomial, and we'll get rest of the 2 zeros. How I am going to tell you. So by repeating the process, we'll continue now dividing the things. What was the given polynomial? The given polynomial was 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x and minus 5. Now definitely this 3x square minus 5 will be a factor of this, because it is obtained from two of its zeros. So now the process will be same. You need to make a rough work, as I always suggest you. Now I will continue with the division process. The first term is going to divide with the first term. Now 3 will cancel, and x square is going to make x to the power 4 as x square. So only thing remaining is x square. So we will write down x square. X square into 3x square is 3x to the power 4 minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. I already told you to write down like terms, because they are going to solve with each other. So now the remaining term 6x cube, which was unsolved, and 5 minus 2 is plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now we are having the first term as 6x cube by 3x square. So x cube is going to cancel the cube term, 3 2 just 6. The final answer we are getting 2x. So now we will write down plus 2x, that is 3 2 just 6x cube minus 5 2 just 10x. So on further solving, we are getting this term as minus, this is going to be cancelled, and this is going to be plus, this is also going to be cancelled. The remaining term is 3x square minus 5. Now we are having 3x square upon 3x square. They are going to be cancelled, and the answer is 1. We will write down plus 1. 3x square into x plus 3x square into 1 is 3x square, minus into plus is minus, that is 5 ones are 5. This is going to be cancelled, this is going to be cancelled. We are getting the remainder 0, and the polynomial which we are getting is from the quotient which is required. अब हम इस quotient को लेंगे, x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. इससे हम x की वो दो remaining zeros जो बचे हैं उसको निकालेंगे. That will be the final step. इसके लिए middle term split करना होगा. Middle term split के लिए आपको rough work create करना है, और पहले देखना है कि वो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है कि नहीं. तो ये प्रॉपर्ली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. तो कभी भी याद रखिए मिडिल टर्म में फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर. अब आपको दो ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जिनको प्लस करने से मिडिल टर्म आ जाए और मल्टीप्लाई करने से वो नंबर आए जिसको हम स्प्लिट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज एक्स एंड एक्स. एक्स प्लस एक्स 2x होता है, और x इंटू एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर होता है. तो 2x की जगह लेने आएगा x प्लस एक्स. अब आपको देखना है इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या है. इन दोनों में x कॉमन है, तो यहाँ बचेगा x प्लस 1. इन दोनों में कुछ कॉमन नहीं है, तो 1 निकालेंगे. तो कभी भी जब मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करते हैं तो अंदर का दोनों फैक्टर जब सेम आता है, जब आपको होल फैक्टर निकालने का मौका मिलता है, मतलब आप सही जा रहे हैं. तो x प्लस 1 कॉमन निकल जाएगा, इधर भी बचेगा x प्लस 1. सो मतलब यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू -1 इस कंडीशन के लिए भी है, और x की वैल्यू -1 दूसरे कंडीशन. दिस वे वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ x. 2 0 तो पहले से ही दिया हुआ था, वो है +√5/3 कॉमा -√5/3, और दो इक्वल रूट्स मिले हैं, दैट इज -1 एंड -1. So these are the required 4 roots of the given biquadratic polynomial. Number 4, we are going to solve polynomial in terms of x is given. When it is going to divide with g of x, which is unknown, you will get quotient q of x like this, and you will get quotient r of x like this. Now how to find q of x? इट्स अ वेरी इजी टास्क हाउ टू फाइंड क्यू ऑफ एक्स. सबसे पहले हम यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम जो है हम वो लिखेंगे, दैट इज डिविडेंड इज इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू कोशेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. ना इन सब की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. पी ऑफ एक्स पॉलिनोमियल एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 2. जी ऑफ एक्स हमें नहीं दिया, हमें निकालना है, सो लेट इट बी लाइक दैट ओनली. क्यू ऑफ एक्स दिया है एक्स माइनस 2 प्लस आर ऑफ एक्स जो हमें दिया है वो है माइनस 2x प्लस 4. तो जब ये उस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे आर ऑफ एक्स को फॉर फर्दर सॉल्विंग इट, इट विल बिकम माइनस 2x इधर आएगा बनेगा प्लस 2x प्लस 4 इधर आएगा बनेगा माइनस 4. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू जी ऑफ एक्स इंटू एक्स माइनस 2. rather we are going to solve this x cube minus 3x square. Now 2x plus x is 3x and 2 minus 4 is minus 2 divided by, y divided by, क्योंकि into x minus 2 जब इधर जाएगा तो बनेगा divided by x minus 2. Now this whole expression is going to tell us what is g of x. So let us start dividing it and let us start finding it what is g of x. तो start करते हैं divide करना. That is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. We are going to divide it with x minus 2. मैंने जो सजेस्ट किया था वही करेंगे. First we'll take the rough walk. That is the first term x cube we are going to divide it with x. x cube को काट के square बना देगा and we are getting x square. So we'll write down x square. So that will become x cube minus 2x square. So this will become minus and going to cancel, and this is going to be plus. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus x square. The remaining term we'll write as it is. Now the first term is minus x square divided by x. X is going to cancel the square term. The answer will be minus x. So we'll write down minus x. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus into minus is plus 2x. So on solving further, this is going to be cancelled, and 3 minus 2, you know that 3 minus 2 is 1, so we'll write down plus x minus 2. Now on further we are having x by x term to solve and we are getting plus 1 as answer, so we'll write down plus 1. Now we'll multiply x 1 by x and plus into minus is minus, 2 1s are 2. So this is going to be cancelled, this is going to be cancelled, the remainder is 0. Now this term is the answer, which is your g of x, which the question was asking, that is x square minus x plus 1.